How to use event marketing. Event marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and generate leads. In this video, we will explore the benefits of event marketing and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to use it effectively. The first step in event marketing is to choose the right event for your business. This could be a trade show, conference, seminar, or even a networking event. Research the event beforehand to ensure that it aligns with your business goals and target audience. Once you have chosen the event, it's time to prepare for it. This includes creating a booth or display that is visually appealing and informative. Make sure to have promotional materials such as flyers, brochures, and business cards to hand out to potential customers. In addition to having a booth, consider hosting a presentation or workshop at the event. This is a great way to showcase your expertise and provide value to attendees. Make sure to promote your presentation beforehand to attract a larger audience. During the event, engage with attendees and collect their contact information. This could be through a sign-up sheet, a business card exchange, or a digital lead capture system. Follow up with these leads after the event to continue the conversation and nurture the relationship. Finally, measure the success of your event marketing efforts. Analyze the data collected during the event, such as the number of leads generated and the return on investment. Use this information to improve your event marketing strategy for future events. Event marketing can be a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience and generate leads. By following these steps, you can use event marketing effectively and achieve your business goals.